A very good morning to my dear children. Today, in our online class, we would be doing advertising agency. Every organization or firm advertise its product, services or an idea on regular basis. But the question is, who does the designing of these advertisements and releases them through various media? This task of designing and releasing them through various media is done by an advertising agency. Advertising agency is therefore a specialized organization which provides all advertising related services for some fee or commission. Generally, it is seen that a company hires an advertising agency to make an advertisement. But when an agency is owned and operated by the advertiser himself, then in that case it is called in-house agency. What are the functions of advertising agency? The first function of advertising agency is planning. In planning, advertising agency plans how the advertisement will look like. But before planning, there are certain factors which an advertising agency must know, then only it can plan. The factors are fair knowledge of the firm, product, the history of the firm and its product, the present market condition, distribution method, that is in what ways or in what sources the advertisement will be distributed, and lastly the price level. Second, creation and execution. Advertisement is created in this function. How? First, a advertisement copy is written. Layout, that is a structure or a sketch, is prepared. Then illustrations or examples are made. Photographs or models are finalized, and then correct mechanical form for running it is produced. Next is coordination. Coordination between client's sales force, distribution network, idea, media, copy and decisions are coordinated properly so that it satisfies the firm, the advertising agency, and thus they can satisfy the customers, which will help to increase sales. Next function of advertising agency is accounting. Accountant is in charge of the amount of fees received from client, payment of taxes, bills and other charges. Accountant does all these activities to reduce misunderstanding between the firm and the advertising agency. After all the above four functions are performed, then the next function of advertising agency is to plan the media. The agency selects a set of suitable media so that the advertisement can reach out the right type of audience or the target group. Next is research. Research helps the advertising agency to make every decision systematic and logical because decisions are based on facts and figures. Last, internal control. Advertising agency has to control the internal factors of the organization because it conducts or does the business behind the scenes. The factors which an advertising agency has to control are employees, finances, public relation, client, contact, etc. And controlling is done so that operations can be performed effectively and efficiently. Our next heading is social advertising media. Social advertising is basically communication of useful or social ideas, schemes, program, causes like Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, smoking is injurious to health, Swachh Bharat, Swachh Abhiyan, etc. And social advertising media basically is newspaper, radio, television, etc. Thus, social advertising media is basically the various means of communication of useful ideas, scheme, program, causes on the internet which is used by the public and members of the society. Media on internet are basically Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, etc. Thank you.